Hi, this is Drake, and he's a little teddy bear. I'm Jim.
Hi, I'm Diane, and this is Chekhov. He's a lion.
Hi, I'm Patty, and this is Emmy Lou, and she's a caterpillar. She turns into a yellow swallowtail butterfly in the spring. This is Emmy Lou.
Hi, I'm Renee, and this is Cherie, and she's a little stinker.
Hi, I'm Sharon, Little Red Riding Hood, and this is the big bad wolf dressed up as grandma.
Hi, my name is Christy. This is Sully, and we are both dressed up as peacocks.
Hi, this is Susan, and this is Ruby. She's a lion.
Hi, I'm Barb, and this is Casper, and he's a sheep.
Hi, this is Dee. I'm a big bad wolf and I have a lion here. Woo!
Hi,
This is Kimber, and she's talking, and she is a princess. And this is Molly, and she is a princess along with Kimber too.
This is Karma, and she is a queen bee, also a Cocker Spaniel.
And I'm Denise, here with Sunny the Welsh Corgi, and he is today a dinosaur, although he kind of looks like the Statue of Liberty, and I'm a dog instead. Ruff, ruff, a German Shepherd.
And my name is Annalisa, and this is Blue, and he is a lion head bunny. Today he has his mane of leaves, fall leaves on, and he loves, unlike a lion, to nibble on clover.
Here's the animal jokes of the day. What kind of dog is Drake? A chili dog.
Okay, well, what does a dog do when he doesn't like your TV show? He hits the pause button.
Emmy Lou wants to tell you that guinea pigs are not good at keeping secrets. You know why? Because they squeal.
Sometimes when Cherie goes to the nursing home, we can't find a place to park. So we have to go to the barking lot.
All right. A local dog gave birth at the side of the road. She got fined for littering.
What do you get when you cross a porcupine and a peacock? A sharp dresser.
Casper the sheep wants you to guess what the sheep says to greet each other in the morning. Nice to see you.
Why are dogs not very good dancers? Because they have two left feet.
Karma says, what do you call a bee that can't make up its mind? A maybe.
Okay, my joke is knock, knock,
Who's there?
owls.
Owls.
Ooh.
Yes, they do.
Happy.
World.
Animal.
Day.
Two.
Everyone!
Yay!